Hi, Mashable India. Welcome to my home. This is the living room. This is a very neutral section of the house. And if you see, the house has got a very eclectic, vintage vibe going on. I like a little bit of everything. So because this is neutral, so I wanted like a pop of color. And this is one of my favorite colors this season. Maybe after a few months this has been changed. I've got my piano right here and it's got a beautiful view of the ocean. So I wanted कि मैं जब बजाऊँ तो like I can just look at the sunset or the sunrise and just play some music and practice. And sometimes when I'm going through a creative block, then I just want a change of setting. I'll come here and I'll jam here and I need a bit of change. Some of my core memories on the wall here. Not a lot of you know. So as a kid, I used to love flying kites. Even when I go back home, it's Lodi. It's around it's on the 13th of Jan. So I make sure, like my parents get very excited because first of all, I'm the only one at my home who can fly kites. So I fly it for them. I give it to my father, and we've got Kobe also here. That's my dog, the older one. He's 9 years old, and this is from my childhood. This is my brother, and there are 2 cakes here, and it's not my birthday. So I think I was a brat when I was a kid. So I made sure that I also cut a cake on his birthday. This is homie. This is this guy. He's a brat actually. Maybe he's taken after me, and he's 2 years old. And this is chai or toast. This is my comfort food. Like when things are not going my way, I'm feeling सब कुछ खत्म हो गया लाइफ में, तो मैं चाय और टोस्ट खाती हूँ. अगर आप मेरे को टोस्ट खाते हुए देख रहे हो, बटर टोस्ट, तो then you should be worried. So this one is me playing at the stadium in Bombay when I opened for Coldplay, and I'd never played for this big an audience, and it was surreal to see a stadium full of people singing your songs and the flashlights are out. It's one of the most beautiful moments of my life yet, and being able to collaborate with Coldplay on We Pray, I think it's going to stay here, this one, forever. So how do you tell you're a Punjabi without saying you're a Punjabi? This is my bar. Though I don't drink so much, but I love to host people और लोगों को खाना खिलाना, दारू पिलाना और उनको pamper करना is one of my favorite things in the world. Now we can go to the studio. Before we go to the studio, you can look at the rug. It's my birthday gift actually. It's so sweet of him to gift me this. I love like it's got this pattern and it breaks the monotony here somehow. I love it. There's this huge mirror here. तो मेरे को हमेशा लग रहा था यहाँ पे थोड़ा like I missed a window. बहुत closed लग रहा था. So we put this mirror so that it can reflect the sea. So then we get a view over here also. So that's the whole idea. And now I'll show you my studio. जहाँ पर मैं काफ़ी time spend करती हूँ. So my routine is I finish half my coffee in the morning at the dining table while I'm having my breakfast. Then I finish half my coffee right here in this corner. This is my favorite corner. और यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम बिताती हूँ. मैं सिर्फ अपनी आधी कॉफ़ी पीती हूँ और गिटार बजाती हूँ. The idea was to feel calm ना लगे. It should feel very cozy. Like it's holding me. This space is holding me. And it's got me. It's got my back. Here I've got some awards from Filmfare, and I've got this is like my guru, Yogananda ji. So this is like kind of an altar where I just wanted that vibe in the studio. I am a Kriya Yogi. Not a lot of people know that. This is where I record my music, I practice, and this is my bookshelf. और ऊपर it's got my grandparents photo. तो बीजी को कभी भी ऐसे नहीं सत श्री अकाल नहीं बोलते थे, हाय हेलो नहीं बोलते थे. उनका एक रूल था कि उनको जब भी मिलना है बोलना है वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. So it was a thing. मतलब everybody has to greet her like that. Let me show you a couple of my guitars. This is my most favorite right now. It's a Taylor, and I've got some guitars here. There are few more, and this reminds me कि मुझे guitar rack लेना है. This is Filmfare, and this I got for my song Ranjha as a music composer. But award मिलने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि I'm the first woman in this category to win a Filmfare, so this is very special for that reason all the more. मेरे को हमेशा से था कि स्टूडियो की तरह नहीं लगे, ऐसे लगे कि यहाँ पे बहुत मज़े आ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे चिल कर रहे हैं, खाना पीना खा रहे हैं. एंड आई वो वेरी वियर्ड हैबिट, जब मैं कंपोज करती हूँ तो मैं बहुत मंच करती हूँ चीज़ों पे. लाइक चिप्स इज़ माई वीकनेस. आई नीड टू हैव समथिंग टू मंच ऑन व्हेन आई एम मेकिंग सॉन्ग्स. So now I'll show you the bedrooms. I'll take you to the guest room. It's upstairs. So this is the guest room. Or when my brother is visiting, my parents are visiting, my friends from college. I love hosting people. ये मेरा favorite spot है guest room में. You can just sit here और आप sea को देख सकते हो. You can have a cup of coffee and just enjoy this view, look at the sunset or sunrise. When my family is visiting, my parents are visiting, so we spend a lot of time here and play Ludo. My dad is addicted to Ludo. And then we sit here, we play Ludo and just have fun. So now I'm gonna take you to my room. This is fully white, very neutral. I didn't want any color here because I thought मैं यहाँ पे आऊँ तो मेरा दिमाग बंद हो जाए. Like I don't want to think about anything, and I just want it to be very peaceful, एकदम calm, or I just want to forget about everything when I enter this room. This is my PS. When my brother comes, we are very competitive. तो हम FIFA, cricket, and split fiction, anything like a 2-player game we play, and I always win. So now I'll take you to everybody's favorite spot. Like I said, I love hosting people, so you'll find a lot of cozy spots in the house. So if my friends are here, if we're just talking, तो हम यहाँ बैठते हैं. And if we're eating, then हम यहाँ बैठते हैं. There's a pen here, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के journal भी करती हूँ सुबह उठ के, कभी-कभी. This is a favorite ritual. Like this is like part of my daily routine. He loves looking down there. I love hosting people, like I said, hosting parties. I recently threw a party for one of my closest friends. This place has a lot of memories. और जब मैं अकेले होती हूँ तो मैं यहाँ पे आके सुबह journal करती हूँ कभी-कभी. और रात को यहाँ से stars दिखते हैं तो I open my app to know like what planet is where. So that's something I love doing, looking at the sky. And obviously sunsets here are a treat to look at. Once in a while I'll come here, I'll put some songs, kabhi sad songs. Then I just be here with Homie and Kobe, who are like a constant in my life. Then my dad loves this spot a lot because Bombay में ऐसे open spaces मिलते नहीं है, so I feel lucky to have found that people closest to me know that I'm a homebody and I hate getting out of my house. And I can't help it, I'm a true Cancerian. So this is me.